Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Tech Tutorials. Today I will show you how to download and install Adobe Creative Cloud. Now what you want to do first is go to Google Chrome and type creativecloud.adobe.com. Links will be in the description so you can go there directly. You'll scroll down and you'll see download Creative Cloud for desktop. When you click that, a pop-up page will come on showing you the 2 steps how to download it, and automatically the exe file will be installed into your computer. Now when you click on the exe file, the Creative Cloud download app has been installed. Now what you need to do is sign into your Creative Cloud account, Adobe account, and all that good stuff. Now this is your Creative Cloud dashboard. As you can see, I have already installed a few apps here like Premiere Pro, Photoshop. Now if you scroll down a bit, you'll see the apps that are available for your plan to be installed. Now when you click on install, these apps will be installed and you can use them right away. Now once you're done installing these apps, what you want to do is update these apps. So what you want to do is click on update all and it'll update. Now, if the update all button is grayed out, that means you don't have any updates. But if you do, it will not be grayed out and you can click it and it'll update all the apps that need to be updated. Now, let's say you're ready to edit your work in Premiere Pro. You don't need to open the Creative Cloud app. You just need to launch it from the start menu, or as I have already done, is from the taskbar. You can launch it from there. So there you have it guys. That's how you install Creative Cloud app on your computer and install the apps that come with Creative Cloud. If you did enjoy it, give a sub to the channel and hit the like button.